I want you all to come to page number 30. We're going to read the story with a window. The story, a stomach with a window.
Ma'am, page number 30.
Page number 30, yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Please come to page number 30 of your textbook. Story, a stomach with a window. Story. A stomach with a window. Let's read the story and try to understand what happened to one of the soldiers and how Dr. Beaumont could reveal the secrets of digestion in the stomach. In the poem, you read about a soldier called Martin. In 1822, he was 18 years old. This all happened in the year 1822. But you do not have to write anything in your classwork notebook. In 1822, he was 18 years old and was very healthy. When he was shot, he was seriously hurt. At that time, Dr. Beaumont was called to treat him. So whenever you are ill or you face an injury, what do? You go to the hospital to get yourself treated. If you're injured, the nurse or the doctor, according to the seriousness of the wound, they will treat you. Dr. Beaumont cleaned the wound and put the dressing. तो उन्होंने क्या किया? उस wound को clean कर दिया. Obviously, if there was a bullet inside, he could have removed. He must have removed that bullet. जो भी उसके आसपास का जो wound होगा, उन्होंने clean किया उसे, and he kept a band-aid to it, and must have done the dressing. After 1.5 years, oh my God, that's a very long time, right? Just see how long did it take the wound to heal? And did the wound heal completely after 1.5 years? Let us read the story and find out. After 1.5 years, the doctor found that Martin's wound had healed except for one thing. He had a big hole in the stomach. What was there, बच्चे? उसके stomach में क्या हो गया था? बहुत बड़ा hole हो गया था. हिमानी बच्चे, your camera is very blurred. आप एक काम कीजिए, रूम के लाइट्स ऑन कर लीजिए. You're in a very dim light, I believe.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. After 1.5 years, the doctor found that Martin's wound had healed, except for one thing. He had a big hole in his stomach. The hole was covered with a loose flap of skin, like the washer in a football. Now, have you ever filled air in the basketball? Have you ever filled air in the basketball?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, उसमें क्या होता है ना बच्चे, जो पिन होती है हम बास्केटबॉल में लगाते हैं, तो क्या होता है उसके अंदर एक वॉशर होता है, एक फ्लैप होता है. जब उसके अंदर बहुत 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 सारी हवा घुस जाती है, वो जो हवा हमेशा बच्चे प्रेशर क्रिएट करती है. तो जैसे वो प्रेशर क्रिएट करेगी, वो जो बॉल है वो बास्केटबॉल की जो स्किन होती है उसके ऊपर चिपक जाता है. तो जो एयर होती है ना बच्चे, उसके अंदर ही रहती है, और धीरे धीरे जब आप उसे प्ले करते रहते हैं तो थोड़े थोड़े गैप से वो निकलती रहती है, इसलिए आपको दोबारा से उसमें हवा भरनी पड़ती है. तो वो इसी तरह से बता रहे हैं कि उनके स्टमक में भी होल हो गया था. वो होल इतना बड़ा था कि जो पतली लेयर ऑफ स्किन थी उसने उसको कवर कर दिया था, पर अगर उस फ्लैप ऑफ स्किन को आप टच करोगे ना तो वो नीचे चली जाएगी, और आप ना उसमें देख सकते हो कि क्या क्या चीजें हो रही हैं उसमें, स्टमक में क्या एक्टिविटी हो रही है, कौन से डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस निकल रहे हैं. secrete हो रहे हैं. Am I clear to all? Did you understand? Did you understand? Very good.
Yes.
The hole was covered with a loose flap of skin, like the washer in a football. Press the skin and you could peep into Martin's stomach. Not only that, the doctor could also take out food from the stomach by putting a tube in the hole. Dr. Beaumont felt he had found a treasure. Can you guess how much time he spent on doing different experiments on this stomach? Now press the skin and you could peep into Martin's stomach. Not only that, the doctor could also take out food from the stomach by putting it in. Okay. What happened, children? In order to do a lot of tests, okay, Dr. Beaumont had to take out the food item from the stomach. He wanted to know if the food was digested. He wanted to know what is the nature of the. Now, what are the questions that Dr. Beaumont was trying to solve? I mean, he was trying to answer these questions. First question: How long? How long?
नोटबुक में लिखना है क्या?
नहीं बच्चे नहीं. जब भी मेरे को कुछ ना हो क्लास में बोलो के लिखाना होता है हमेशा क्लास में बोलो लिखोगे ना. अब मुझे नहीं लिखा हुआ है. I'm doing a discussion. I'm doing a discussion, right? I'm doing a discussion. As I told you, I'm doing the discussion. I'm just writing the main points. How long it took for two items to be digested for two items. To be digested.
मैम पेज नंबर
To be digested. ठीक है. और फिर उसके बाद में how long it took for two items to be digested. What was the nature of the what was the nature? What was the nature of what was the nature of digestive juices? What was the nature of digestive juices? So these were the two basic questions Dr. Beaumont wanted to answer. He wanted to find answer to these questions and therefore he was trying to complete these experiments. Can you guess how much time he spent on doing different experiments on his stomach? 9 years. So how long? These experiments Dr. Beaumont
मैम पेज नंबर
9 years.
मैम पेज नंबर
Page number 30. Page number 30.
मैम क्वेश्चन का है उसमें का मैम इसका क्वेश्चन का है मैम इसको कॉपी में लिखना है.
Bache, you do not have to, children, you do not have to write anything in your notebook. I am doing this story and I want you to have some basic points in your mind. That's why I've written certain questions. Happy birthday, Abhiraj. At that time, scientists did not know how food was digested. How does the liquid digested?
मम्मी का बर्थडे भी है.
What? Can you guess how much time he spent on doing different experiments on his stomach? 9 years. During this time, Martin grew up and got married. At that time, scientists did not know how food was digested. How does the liquid digestive juices in the stomach help? Does it only help in making the food wet and soft, or does it also help in digestion? Dr. Beaumont took some liquids.
मैम ये क्वेश्चन का है. मैम कहाँ पे लिखना है?
If you have any question or doubt, Just if you have any question or doubt, children, please write in the comment section. Do not make noise in the class. Jatin, try to sit in the middle of the camera. Place your camera in such a way that you are in the middle of the screen. Jatin, you can keep your video off. It's okay. Keep your video off.
मैम ऑन है.
बच्चे ऑफ कर लो. मैं ये बोल रही हूँ ऑफ कर लो. Dr. Beaumont took some liquids, juices out of the stomach. He wanted to see what would happen to a food item kept in the glass filled with it. Would it get digested on its own? For this, he had an experiment. With the help of a tube, he took out some digestive juice from the stomach. At 8:30 a.m., he put 20 tiny pieces of boiled fish in 10 milliliters of the juice. He kept the glass at the same. Now, उन्होंने experiment जो किया हम उसे देखेंगे. 8:30 a.m. को क्या किया बच्चे उन्होंने? He took some tiny pieces of boiled fish and he took 10 milliliters of the juice. He kept the glass at the temperature which is same as that of our stomach. यानी जो temperature हमारे stomach में रहता है उतना ही temperature उन्होंने maintain किया उस overall experiment को करने के लिए. That was 30 degrees Celsius. You feel so hot when it is 30 degrees Celsius outside, right? The same temperature is inside your stomach. Why? What could be the reason for the same, children? Why is your stomach so hot? Why is your stomach so hot? Because वहाँ पे digestive juices release किए जाते हैं. There's an acid called hydrochloric acid which is released into your stomach. It is because of that, when you don't eat something, when you don't eat food for a while, you feel that your stomach is burning. You feel the burning sensation in your stomach. Why? Because
कार्बोहाइड्रेट और एनर्जी की कमी हो जाती है.
That acid is there to protect the lining. Okay, to protect the lining of your stomach. Now, when he checked at 2 p.m., he found that the pieces of fish had dissolved. So 8:30 पे उन्होंने fishes को लिए उन्होंने एक glass लिया उसमें fishes डाली. फिर he took out some digestive juices from the stomach. उन्होंने उस glass में digestive juices को डाल दिया. Dr. Beaumont tried this experiment with different food items. He gave Martin the same food at the same time. Dr. Beaumont tried this experiment with different food items. He gave Martin the same food at the same time and then compared how long it took for food to be digested in the glass and in Martin's stomach. He recorded his observation. Now, he had a different question in his mind. What he thought was, is the time that is taken for the food to be digested, is the time taken same when the food is inside the stomach and outside the stomach in his experiment?
मैम जो आपने ब्लैक बोर्ड पे करवाया है वो हमें नेक्स्ट करना है.
मुझे कुछ भी टेक्स्ट में नहीं करना है. I'm just discussing these things with you. Please. Now, here is a part of observation table. अब देखो बच्चे, अपने जो ये टेबल है ना, प्लीज टेबल को ध्यान से देखिए. टेबल को ध्यान से देखिए. फूड आइटम से पहले अनबॉइल्ड मिल्क हमारे घर में आता है ना बच्चे, दूध वाला दूध देके जाता है. वैसे ही दूध को लिया, उसने वैसे ही दूध को लिया, put it in the beaker and then he added digestive juices to it. तो उसने ये ऑब्जर्व किया, when the unboiled milk was taken by Dr. Martin, it took 2 hours 15 minutes. It took 2 hours 15 minutes to get digested inside the stomach. Whereas जब बीकर में रखा उसे digestive juices डाल के, it took 4 hours 45 minutes. It took 4 hours 45 minutes. यानी double time से भी ज़्यादा. 2 hours 15 minutes का डबल टाइम कितना हो जाएगा बच्चे? 4 hours 30 minutes। और यहाँ पे टाइम कितना लग रहा है? 4 hours 45 minutes। Now boiled milk, when you took boiled milk in the stomach, it took 2 hours for digestion. In the glass with digestive juices, it took 4 hours 15 minutes for the digestion.
स्टोमक डाइजेशन क्यों करता है?
More than 2 times the time.
मैम हमारा स्टोमक डाइजेशन क्यों करता है?
हमारा स्टमक डाइजेशन इसलिए करता है बिकॉज उसका फंक्शन है, इट इज देयर इन आवर बॉडी फॉर द सेम फंक्शन। डाइजेशन करने के लिए ही उसका बनाया गया है, उसका स्ट्रक्चर भी इस तरह से बनाया गया है। इट चर्न्स द फूड। और अगर हमारा फूड डाइजेस्ट नहीं होगा तो हमें एनर्जी कैसे मिलेगी? जो भी न्यूट्रिएंट्स, जो भी फ्लूइड हमारी बॉडी में रहता है ना, हमारी बॉडी का जो बेसिक यूनिट होता है, जिस तरह से एक घर होता है बच्चे, जिस तरह से एक घर होता है उसमें क्या है, जिस तरह से एक घर होता है उसमें ब्रिक्स होती हैं, राइट? एवरी ब्रिक इज सपोर्टिंग द बिल्डिंग, राइट? एवरी ब्रिक इज सपोर्टिंग द बिल्डिंग। अगर उसमें से आप एक ईंट निकाल देते हो, will it affect the whole building? एक ईंट निकाल देते हो तो will it affect the whole building? Will the building fall? No, it will not fall. But suppose you remove one of the walls. If you remove one of the walls of the building, definitely it will happen. No, the building will become weak. It will fall. There is no support. अगर आप थोड़ी सी ईंट भी, अगर आप 4-5 ईंट भी एक तरफ से निकाल देंगे ना, यू विल सी कि बाकी वाली जो ईंट है वो अपने आप ही इरोड होना शुरू हो जाएगी, धीरे धीरे वो निकलना शुरू हो जाएगी, धीरे धीरे बाकी ईंट भी निकलना शुरू हो जाएगी। हमारी बॉडी जो है बच्चे, वो पूरा एक सिस्टम है। वन सिस्टम सपोर्ट्स द अदर सिस्टम। इफ यू वांट योर ब्रेन, योर हार्ट, योर लंग्स टू वर्क वेल, okay, to work well, you need to eat well. Your digestive system is the basic system of your body. आप अच्छा खाओगे, आपकी बॉडी अच्छी तरह से वर्क करेगी। हमारे सेल्स में एनर्जी जनरेट होती है, लेकिन उन सेल्स को भी तो न्यूट्रिएंट्स की जरूरत होती है। वो कौन लेके जाएगा? ओके, इट इज टेकन बाय द ब्लड स्ट्रीम। ठीक है, समझ में आता है। स्टमक से भी काफी न्यूट्रिएंट्स एब्जॉर्ब हो जाते हैं, लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन में, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में, लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन में, हर जगह जितने भी फूड में जो भी न्यूट्रिएंट्स होते हैं, फॉरगेट न्यूट्रिएंट्स, इवन वाटर तक एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है, because your body needs hydration. That's why it is said, children, that please keep on drinking water. मैं आपसे भी रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि प्लीज कीप, आप अपने साइड में एक वाटर बॉटल रखिए। If you feel that it's very dry, and वैसे भी अभी the temperature is soaring like too much, keep with yourself a glass of water covered with some plate, or keep a water bottle so that you keep on hydrating yourself. And I've observed this thing, अगर आप नहीं पढ़ाई कर रहे हो ना बच्चे, ना आपको प्यास लगेगी ना आपको भूख लगेगी, लेकिन जब आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, especially when it is online classes, आपको बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान देने की जरूरत होती है। आपका जो ब्रेन है ना, देखो आपको क्या क्या काम करना है। आपको मुझे सुनना भी है, फिर उसके बाद में आपको अपने डाउट्स भी कलेक्ट करके रखने हैं, नोट्स भी लिखने हैं। It's too much of work that your brain is doing. It needs hydration. Okay. So from next time onwards, so children, हम इस टेबल से ये ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं कि हमारा जो डाइजेशन हुआ है, हमारे स्टमक में जो डाइजेशन होता है वो काफी जल्दी होगा कंपेयर टू अ सिचुएशन जहाँ पे हमने एक बीकर लिया, उसमें फूड आइटम डाल दिया, फिर डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस डाले। ठीक है,
मैम डाइजेशन जूसेस क्या होता है?
डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस आप बच्चे की डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस वो एक जब हम खाना खाते हैं, राइट, हमारे माउथ में क्या होता है? सलाइवा होता है। सलाइवा में एंजाइम्स होते हैं जो भी मीठा फूड है, ओके, उसे ब्रेक डाउन कर देते हैं। और हम क्या करते हैं, आपको ये क्यों बोला जाता है कि आप स्टार्ची फूड खाओ, या फिर आप अगर प्लेग्राउंड में खेल रहे तो उसी टाइम पे व्हेन यू फील टायर्ड, आपको एकदम ग्लूकोज दे दिया जाता है। ग्लूकोज गिव्स यू इंस्टेंट एनर्जी, क्योंकि उसे ब्रेक करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है। मैडम साइड प्लीज। क्योंकि हमारा सलाइवा जो होता है इंस्टेंटली after mixing with the food starts digesting over there itself. Okay, हम जो हमारे खाने में जितने भी like if we eat fish, if we eat egg, वेजिटेबल्स होते हैं, इनको बच्चे डाइजेस्ट करना पड़ता है. It doesn't give us instant energy. It doesn't give us instant energy. आपको प्लेग्राउंड में कोई भी सब्जी खाने के लिए नहीं बोलता, राइट? पीटी टीचर आपको सब्जी खाने के लिए नहीं बोलेंगे, फ्रूट्स खाने के लिए नहीं बोलेंगे. They give you glucose because that gives you instant energy. Sugar और glucose gives you instant energy. लेकिन बाकी सारे फूड आइटम्स के लिए बच्चे you need time. The food has to get digested. The nutrients will go into your bloodstream. Every cell will receive. but जैसे मैं आपको एग्जांपल दिया था ना बच्चे की मशीन होती है, मशीन में छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स होते हैं, सबका ख्याल रखना पड़ता है. एक भी पार्ट काम करना बंद करेगा, somewhere it will affect the machine. मशीन स्लो हो जाएगी या फिर रिक्वायर्ड आउटपुट नहीं देगी. अगर रिक्वायर्ड आउटपुट दे रही है तो धीरे काम करेगी. So the same case is there with our body also. हमारी छोटी ब्रिक्स हैं जो now अगर हमारी बॉडी एक बिल्डिंग है तो जो छोटी छोटी ब्रिक्स है वो सेल्स हैं, और सेल्स में एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होती है. तो अगर उस सेल में आप चाहते हो कि एनर्जी अच्छी तरह से प्रोड्यूस हो, तो then you need to work on it. You need to eat food regularly, drink a lot of water, eat a lot of fiber. Okay?
इसलिए ग्लूकोन वगैरह पे इंस्टेंट एनर्जी लिखा होता है.
Dr. Beaumont did many experiments and found out many secrets about digestion. He found that foods digest faster in stomach than outside. Did you notice this in the table? Our stomach churns the food to digest it. The doctor also saw that the food did not digest properly when Martin was sad. So children, it's very important that you are happy. If you are learning, थोड़ा सा भी प्रेशर आता है, you become sad, नहीं हो रहा है काम, कोई नहीं, धीरे धीरे कर लो. Break your schedule in chunks. Sit for an hour, take a break. Sit for another hour, take a break. Never get sad because of anything. Okay? You have your friends, share with your friends, teachers, parents, because it affects your health. If you are sad, you're not eating properly, it will affect everyone, including your family members. Your parents will be tensed. Even they will not have food properly. And इस तरह से किसी के साथ में होता है कि when they are so tensed and nervous, they tend to eat a lot of food. He found the food ये हो गया, he also found that the juice in the stomach is acidic. What is the nature of digestive juices? Bachche, they are acidic. It is very important, children. The digestive juices in the stomach are acidic. Have you heard of anyone talking about acidity? Especially when the person has not eaten well or the food is not digested properly. Now children, acidity problem क्या होती है? जब आप खाना नहीं खाते हो टाइम से, या फिर आपके मील्स के बीच में बहुत ज्यादा टाइम हो जाता है, लेकिन आपका स्टमक जो है ना बच्चे, आप चाहे कितने ही नॉटी हो जाओ, आप अपना काम टाइम से मत करो, लेकिन आपका जो स्टमक है वो अपना सारा काम टाइम से करेगा. उसको पता है कि यूजुअली आप 1 बजे लंच करते हो, तो वो 1 बजे वो क्या करेगा, डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस सेक्रेट करेगा. आपके स्टमक में HCl भी रिलीज होता है, और वो जब वहां पे फूड नहीं होगा ना डाइजेस्ट करने के लिए, जस्ट इमेजिन कि चक्की होती है, आप चक्की घर जाते हो, वहां पे आटा पिसवाने के लिए वहां पे चक्की होती है. अगर सपोज चक्की वाला बंदा उसमें गेहूं नहीं डालेगा और चक्की चला देगा, चक्की गर्म हो जाएगी, चक्की की जो मशीन है गर्म हो जाएगी.
Yes.
The same happens with your stomach. स्टमक अपना काम बहुत अच्छी तरह से करता है, उसमें डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस रिलीज होते रहते हैं, HCl रिलीज होता है, और जब वो HCl की मात्रा बहुत बढ़ जाती है आपके पेट में, तो तभी क्या होगा, आपको गरम गरम फील होगा स्टमक में. Dr. Beaumont's experiments became famous across the world. After this, scientists did so many experiments. तो मार्टिन के स्टमक में तो होल था, तो इसलिए he was able to see into it. बाद में डॉक्टर्स लोगों ने और भी तरीके निकाले to see inside the stomach of the patients. and do their experiments. Now please come to page number 32, children. Please come to page number 32. Please come to page number 32, children. Are you all okay? Very good. Good food and good health. Dr. Aparna has two patients, Rashmi and Kailash. Can you see these two pictures, children? She is Rashmi and he is Kailash. Dr. Aparna has two patients, Rashmi and Kailash. Dr. Aparna talked to them to find out more about them. Read what the doctor found. Rashmi 5 years, Kailash 7 years. Now I'm discussing the case study of Rashmi. She took about 3 years. She looks about 3 years old. She has very thin arms and legs and a pot belly. What do you understand by pot belly, children? When your stomach comes out. When your stomach comes out. When your stomach comes out like this. This is pot belly. This condition is called pot belly. She always feels tired and cannot go to school regularly. What is happening to her? Is she facing any disease? No. But she always feels tired. Have you ever observed it that when you are not eating well, you do not have the energy left in your body to do the work? She does not have the strength even to play. So she cannot study, she cannot play because all the activities that we are involved in, children, it requires energy. She is lucky if she can get a little rice. When we come now, अभी हमने देखा कि उसकी क्या-क्या symptoms हैं, क्या-क्या problems हैं उसके साथ में. तो अभी हम डॉक्टर बच्चे उनका काम ही यही होता है कि आप जो प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हो, तो वो किस वजह से हो रहा है. He wants to find the reason. He or she wants to find the reason for the developing symptoms. She is lucky if she can get little rice or one roti to eat in a whole day. How many times do you eat in a day, children? We eat 3 times in a day, right? And how much do you eat? We'll have a complete meal in the morning. Roti, sabzi, dahi, achar, raita, right? Everyone has a complete meal. Is she having a complete meal? No. She doesn't even have one complete meal. Discussing the case of Kailash, children. Kailash is 7 years old. He looks older than his age. His body is fat and flabby. He has pain in his legs. He's not very active. He goes to school by bus and spends many hours watching TV. So what is his lifestyle? His body is fat and flabby. Fat. Have you ever seen a bean bag? Have you ever seen a bean bag, children?
Yes,
How is it? How is it?
Yes, ma'am.
It will take different shape. है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
It doesn't have a normal shape. आपकी जो body, when we talk about fat, when the body is fat and flabby, what will happen? You will have too much of fat around your stomach or around your arms.
Yes, ma'am.
He's not very active. Now, children, if you are obese, that means you have a lot of weight on your body. See, whenever now, बच्चे अगर this glass, I have a glass of water with me. I'm holding it. So sometime I will not feel the strain. But अगर मैं उसको 1 घंटे तक hold करके रखूंगी, will I feel the strain in my arm? Yes. It will be a pain to my arm. Right? The same case happens with the body weight also.
Ma'am, because
थोड़े time के लिए you will feel okay, but धीरे-धीरे when you will not be able to lose that weight, it will have an effect on your legs. आपका ज़्यादा weight होगा ना, your legs will have to take much more strain. Your legs will have to take so much of strain.
मैम अगर कोई किसी का वेट कम होगा तो क्या होगा?
वेट को उठाने के लिए हमारी बॉडी जो है उसे स्ट्रेट रखने के लिए भी हमारी बोन्स जो है स्ट्रेन लेती हैं. तो अगर आप और ही ज्यादा वेट पुट ऑन करते रहोगे तो उन्हें और ज्यादा स्ट्रेन लेना पड़ेगा. Is it understood, everyone? He goes to school by bus and spends many hours watching TV. So does he have any scope for any physical activity? क्या कोई physical activity की कोई scope है उसकी life में? School बस से जा रहे हैं, घर पे आते ही TV watch कर रहे हैं. He's not involved in any physical activity. Therefore, children, I advise you, आप हमेशा, शाम को जाए, 1 घंटा खेल के आए. Your body will be a bit tired.
मैं तो जाता था पहले, अब कोरोना के चक्कर में जा नहीं
Thank
पाती.
you, Vedant. Thank you so much. Nice. Thank you. So, आप लोग जाओ, आपका food अगर digest नहीं हुआ होगा, you will play, you will consume a lot of energy, तो भी digest हो जाएगा. You will feel a bit tired. आपको घर पे आके when you take bath, you will feel fresh. And I've observed this. जब हम खेल के आते हैं ना, we feel fresh. Dr. Aparna measured the height and weight of both the children. Then she told them, there is only one treatment for both your problems, that is proper food. So in case of Rashmi, she was having inadequate food. जब आप खाना अच्छी तरह से नहीं खाओगे, आपकी बॉडी को न्यूट्रिएंट्स अच्छी तरह से नहीं मिलेंगे, it will become weak. In case of Kailash, he was overeating. He was obese. He had a lot of weight. He had gained a lot of weight. उसकी एज के हिसाब से उसने बहुत ज्यादा weight को gain किया था. Now children, please do not leave the meeting. Thank you children. Have a good day ahead.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.